If I can, why not you? So dear learners, dear viewers, start your journey, start give dedication, start give put in your hard work. Everything is easy when you are busy. Nothing is easy when you are lazy. Okay, so if you want to do something better in your life, then you have to busy in your life. Okay, without busyness, you cannot do that. Okay, and someone say, actually, bro, I have an environment to practice. Now you can see I am making my environment. Okay, you have to make your environment like this way. Without making environment, nobody give you the environment. Okay, so what should we do? We should make environment to practicing. Like you can see, oh, now I am middle side of the lands. The lands are surrounded by me. The forests are surrounded me. There are nobody. There are a lot of people like me. They are in the house. They are sleeping. But now I am outside of my home. Why? Why I am outside of my home? I know my dedication. I know what I need to do. I know there is only one way to get something. The thing is do hard work. You can see now I can speak in English. Okay, once upon a time I wasn't able to say something. It was a really rocket science for me. But nowadays I can say you it is cup of tea for me. I can easily express my situation in any environment very easily and spontaneously. Okay, I know I have to improve myself more than previous, but your guys knocked me in messenger, say, bro, how can I develop my English? I don't know how to speak in English. You don't know exact thing. Those who were successful person in their life, they are doing how much hard work. If I can, why not you? So dear learners, dear viewers, start your journey, start give dedication, start give put in your hard work. I can assure that one day or one final moment you will be able to speak in English better than me.